Hello everyone. Welcome back to CarOg 765. Today, I'm taking you straight into the golden age of American automobiles. A time when style was pure, cars were built like tanks, and every ride felt like a story. And the car we're talking about today is one of the most iconic family classics of that era, the 1953 Ford Customline Tudor. So sit back, relax, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you love classic cars as much as we do. 1953 was a very special year for Ford. It was the company's 50th anniversary, and to celebrate this milestone, Ford redesigned its lineup with a fresh, modern, and more refined look. Among these models, the Customline Tudor stood out as the cleanest, simplest, and most stylish expression of early 50s design. The word, Tudor, simply means a two-door sedan, and in the United States, this model quickly became a favorite among middle-class families who wanted reliability, comfort, and a little touch of elegance. When you see this car from a distance, the first thing that grabs your attention is its smooth, rounded body. There are no sharp lines, no aggressive creases, just a flowing, balanced shape that represents the true spirit of 1950s American design. The front end features those iconic round headlights, a wide curved hood, and the classic Ford badge right at the center, giving it a confident personality. Along the sides, the long, straight body lines make the car look stretched and relaxed, while the two-door layout adds a sporty and stylish feel. Inside the 1953 Ford Customline, things get even more interesting. The interior wasn't fancy by today's standards, but for its time, it was one of the most comfortable and practical cabins in the market. The seats were covered in cloth and vinyl, designed not only to look good but to last for years. The steering wheel was large and easy to handle, and the dashboard came with a simple but elegant layout. What people really loved was Ford's improved sound insulation. Roads in the 50s were louder and rougher, so a quiet cabin meant real comfort. Features like a heater, a push-button radio, and a proper ventilation system made this car feel premium for everyday American families. And now let's talk about what really makes this car a legend, its engine options. The 1953 Ford Customline came with two major choices. The first was the famous 3.9-liter Flathead V8 producing around 110 horsepower. This engine was one of the most trusted engines in American history. It didn't break easily, it was simple to repair, and people still love it today for its smooth, deep sound. The second option was the 3.5-liter inline-six with about 101 horsepower. It was perfect for those who wanted better fuel economy without compromising reliability. With a top speed of around 145 km/h and options for a 3-speed manual or Ford O-Matic automatic transmission, this car delivered a smooth and confident driving experience. In the United States, the 1953 Ford Customline Tudor became a huge success. It wasn't just a car, it was a part of everyday American life. Families used it for long trips, daily work, grocery runs, and weekend outings. It was affordable, dependable, and easy to maintain. Even today, collectors love this model for its clean design and strong build quality. Depending on the condition, the price of a restored Customline Tudor in the US can range anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000, and sometimes even more if the car is fully restored to original factory standards. So what makes this car special even today? The answer is simple. The 1953 Ford Customline Tudor represents a time when cars were honest, straightforward, and full of character. There were no complicated electronics, no unnecessary features, just solid American engineering, classic style, and a driving feel that modern cars simply can't recreate. When you look at this car, you don't just see steel and chrome, you see history, culture, and the life of the American 1950s. If you're a fan of classic automobiles, this car is a treasure. It tells a story of families, memories, and a golden era of car design. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the past with me. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. This is CarOg 765, and I'll see you in the next video with another timeless classic.